So this is the sacrum. It is the bottom of the vertebral column. It's actually formed during fetal development by the fusion of 5 vertebrae together into one bone. And so a lot of the markings that we see on this are the result of that fusion. This is the anterior side of the sacrum. You can see it's got this curve toward the front. And we can see we have these little ridges. These are transverse ridges. And that's where the intervertebral discs were before they were mineralized into bone. We also have these holes on the side. On the anterior side, they're called the anterior sacral foramina. On the posterior side, they're called the posterior sacral foramina. We have the, what was the body of a vertebra is called the sacral promontory. Okay, make sure you don't call it the body, it's the sacral promontory. And we have superior articular facets. These are going to articulate with the inferior articular facets of the L5 vertebra. We have this crest down the middle, the sacral crest, that's formed from the spinous processes of the vertebrae that fuse together to make the sacrum. And we have this rough surface here, which is called the auricular surface. And that's not articular, even though it is going to articulate. It is the auricular surface, auricle meaning ear. So this is ear-shaped. And then we also, if this were a real sacrum, you could see there is a canal, a sacral canal that runs deep to this crest, where the bottom, the distal end of the spinal cord is going to go all the way down through here, and then it comes out of an opening down here at the end called the sacral hiatus. And that is your sacrum. So let's review. We've got sacral crest, posterior sacral foramina, auricular surfaces, sacral promontory, superior articular facets, sacral canal going back behind the crest, sacral hiatus is the opening at the bottom, and then transverse ridges and anterior sacral foramina. And then down here at the bottom, that's your coccyx, that's your tailbone. Normally 1, 2, 3, 4 bones. These were all vertebrae as well, fused together into your coccyx. And that's all the tail you have left. That's your sacrum.